Hey friends, have you been enjoying our Working with Wine at Home series? Okay, here's what I'm about to do, the impossible. This is my first ever video on cooking with wine. You'd never see me before cooking with wine, okay? Doing many things with wine, but never cooking. And this is going to be my first attempt. And guess what I'm going to be making today? It's going to be Spanish garlic prawns with saffron in white wine. How does that sound? All right? It's amazing. I've tried this before, but someone else made it for me, so I'm going to give it a shot, okay? See if I can make it. And it's really quick, so hopefully we capture this all on video. I have my assistant right here with me, my sous chef. He's going to be passing me over a few things, but let me just show you what we have in terms of ingredients. So, first spoon, we have 2 spoonfuls, or maybe more than a spoonful, of virgin olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, which is getting heated. And what I'm going to add to this is a bit of chopped garlic, chopped onions. The recipe said shallots, but we don't have any shallots at home right now, so we're going to have to make do with what we have. There's some prawns, of course. These are deveined, deshelled, dried, pad dried with a little tissue paper. They're ready. There's salt, pepper, and what I have here is a nice Spanish white wine. This is a white Rioja, which I picked up on my way to, not on my way, in Spain when I was there about a year and a half ago. It's from the Marquis de Riscal, Rioja Reserva white. And what I did is I added that to the microwave. I heated it so it became hot, and I added a few strands of Spanish saffron, which I picked up from Food Hall just last week. Okay, so you can see it's good wine with good saffron, right? Hopefully this is gonna, and it smells delicious. So hopefully this is gonna add a lot of flavor. The oil is hot now, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly add, no touching with hands, no hands. So I'm gonna add this with a ladle. And the garlic is getting browned. And immediately I'm going to add some onion to this. And it's smelling nice. I don't know about you, but I like to add my salt and pepper earlier on, so it kind of mixes equally. Add a little bit of pepper here, and I'm not looking to brown my onions, I'm just looking to soften them and sort of make them a little bit translucent. And I'm going to soon add these prawns, but I'm going to do it gently. So I'm going to need one of these, and I'm going to drop them in one at a time, so they're nicely, evenly spread across the pan. Okay? I'm very nervous. I've never cooked before. I mean, I've cooked, but not like this in front of a camera. I'm going to leave them on for a few, maybe a minute or so. And okay, looking good. I'm going to turn them over one at a time. Looking good. Have a look. See? Nice, isn't it? Starting to get a bit proud of myself now. But I'll be even prouder once I have poured the wine infused with saffron. And I think it's about time to do that. So I'm going to take this delicious little looking concoction. As you can see, it's still a bit warm. The saffron is nicely infused, and that's why it's turned golden yellow. And I'm going to pour it generously. Now you can add a bit of chilies to this. I'm going to avoid the temptation because my daughter is going to be trying them as well, and she doesn't like chili too much. But by all means, I mean, we're all for pepper. I'm going to just add a bit more pepper. And I'm just going to let this cook in this liquid for about a minute more. Prawns don't need a lot of cooking, as you all know. You don't need me to tell you that. But I don't like my prawns overcooked anyway. I like them a bit crunchy and nice. And now this is all coming together quite nicely. And hopefully that wine's going to add a terrific flavor, and so is the saffron. And what I'm going to do now is, there's a bit of, well, I was looking for parsley, but again, we didn't have parsley, so chopped coriander is what it's going to have to be. I'm going to add a little bit to this here in the pan, and a little bit, leave a little bit for the garnishing later. And I think this is looking good. What do you think? Smelling nice too? Should I plate it? What do you think? Yeah? Yeah, I think so. All right, let's do this. So I'm going to turn the heat down. I'm going to take this plate and plate these. I'm going to let the sauce simmer a little bit longer so that it all kind of integrates, harmonizes, takes on the flavors of this garlic and saffron and wine and pepper and all of the few things. It's a very simple dish actually. As you can see, it's taken me sort of less than 10 minutes to do this, and I'm not even a cook, honestly. I'm a hopeless cook, to be honest. But anyway, I've done this now, and I've allowed this sauce to simmer up a bit. And last but not the least, I'm going to just stir it in a bit. Can I get a spoon? A spoon? A bigger spoon? Lovely, thank you. So chef, really good. And I'm just gonna sort of pour this over. I thought of putting it in a little tapas sort of a dish, but the one I had was tiny, and I just thought I would put it on in a bigger plate first so you're able to see what I've made. And I think this is it. This is it. This is it. We are ready. We're ready to rock and roll. Just a little bit more garnish at the top. And there's your Spanish garlic prawns with white wine and saffron. That was my cooking with wine video. I hope you've liked this. Drop me some comments, show me some love, and spread the love. Stay safe and stay happy.